What's up, you guys? I am Stevie Langa, and I am with the lovely Nina Corsaro.
Yourself.
Say hi.
Oh, my glasses just fell. Sorry. Hi, guys.
This is a great first video for this channel. Yes, this is our channel, the Fail Save Games. Patent pending. And we are starting with possibly the greatest bootleg of a game ever. Nina has never experienced this game. I have. It's Pokemon Crystal version Vietnamese. And you guys see why. Instead of new game and options, Nina, it says start or change.
Start or change?
Start or change. Okay. I'm curious. I want to go to speed, fight, off, rule, sound, mix, or soul.
Okay.
Current menu window. Alright, so we'll start this. Are you a boy or a girl? Am I a boy or girl?
Don't know. Sometimes
I'm a boy.
You confuse me.
Welcome. It's Elf's World. Please check the time. What time is it? Okay, so is it AF or MN? I think it's afternoon, morning. Like afternoon is supposed to be evening.
Yeah. So it's afternoon right now where I am, at least.
Let me check on the phone. I'm trying not to get in the camera's way.
Yeah,
so
it's 6:38 where I am. So it's like 5:38 where you are.
So I'm hoping this is right. What F? 5 hen time? 5 hen time!
Yay!
How many minutes? What did we say, 38?
Sure, do it. 38.
So, how many minutes? What? 38M? F3H3... Wait. F5H38. M bad. Sleep too late.
Oh, God.
Dun, dun, dun. Go to the Elf's World. Welcome. Everyone call me Elf Monster.
Yep, because that makes sense.
Elves here are called Monster. They existed everywhere. They existed until the Fire Nation attacked.
Yeah, until that happened, because, you know...
They play friendly, help each other live with people.
Yeah, it's been dark times. I mean, even since Voldemort came out, I mean, we're in depression. It's bad.
Yeah, but we don't understand them entirely. Wow, that was actually normal.
Totally.
There are many secrets inside to know these riddles. Okay?
Yeah.
I do an investigation for every day.
Wait, what kind of riddles?
And...
There's no riddles.
Riddles! Please tell me what is your name. So I can choose ZY, YZU, ZUHO, or GXI.
GXI. I don't know why, I just want GXI.
Well, I'm gonna make my own name. I'm just saying those are like, they're pre-rendered. I'm making mine Jaden, because I'm absolutely flawless. Absolutely flawless. Jaden, do you get ready? Your story will start from now at once.
But
you just said the same thing twice. Start from now at once. For the future, you will meet many trials and hardships, bitter and sweet, to explore the dreams. Let's go to the monsters world. Start. See you later.
I thought we were already in the monsters world. Weren't they, like, everywhere?
Yeah, why? Have I been in a coma all this time? All monster books. Alright, Nina, now this is when it gets funny.
Okay.
Ah, Jaden, the adjoining Dr. Wu, which is Professor Elm for people who don't know. Dr. Wu found you and wants you to do something. Yes, remember it. The repaired elf gear is taken. I know it. It's funnier when you're reading it out loud. The elf gear is omitted Zuichi and will not be an independent coach, which is trainer in this game.
Yeah.
Without it, yes, didn't write the week. Wrote it before using, what is today? It is Sunday.
Today,
Sunday okay?
Yes, Sunday.
Yes. Okay. Remember how to use phone? You know, I'm going to choose no and see what it says. Then read the explanation. Insert the pin. Insert the pin. Select the holy figure. Select the holy figure.
Yep. Obviously God is part of, you know,
well, there's always Arceus or Arceus.
Yeah.
He's basically God.
Or Mewtwo or Ho-Oh.
Tell no can be log on automatically. It's spelled AUTOMATICLY. Automatically. If make call, find it and log on. So simply, very good.
Yay, we did it.
Alright, let's talk to this lady who's sitting right across from your mother. Hello. Affect you. Do you know Mr. Jaden? My daughter wants to be Dr. Wu's helper. She doesn't obey me like elves very much.
Oh.
I don't know. A adept arranging for mother. Volcano Bakemeat. So I was playing this earlier, my brother walked in, he was seeing this, I was showing him this, and he's like, that sounds like a really awesome metal band.
Oh god.
That ends up playing like James Taylor covers.
I feel like even the Vietnamese were confused about this game.
They're like, we did not say this. We did not say this at all. Ah, a beautiful pocket gearing. Mother buy it for you?
Maybe.
Yo, Jaden, I heard Wuciji Doctor. I thought his name was Dr. Wu. Which is the Asian Doctor Who, I guess. Wuciji Doctor found new monster. Alright, we're talking to this lady because I love what she says about Professor Elm. Or Dr. Wu.
Dr. Wu, who apparently has 2 names.
Pikachu. Yeah, all the Pokemon are different names too. Like Pikachu is Pikachu. Pikaquiu is a evolved elf. Wuciji Doctor published so. I feel very shaked. He is a famous fine elf expert. Really, I want to be a expert like him. First, you gotta learn grammar. Prop can be logged on by pressing convenient button.
Convenient button. It's like that, what button it was, that was easy, and you press the button.
Yeah, that was convenient.
That was convenient.
Okay. The famous Wuciji Monster Graduate School. What? Don't stare me always. Alright, now we talk to Wuciji Doctor. Wuciji says, Mr. Jaden, I am waiting for you. I call you today for something to request you. Now I am making a new research into elf. Wish you to cooperate. In fact, I am writing its data to publish in Academy, and something to know for a long time, I think. Can you look after the elf? Grasped lately for me?
I think that's the sentence that made the most sense so far.
Yeah, thanks. This helped my business.
Yeah, it makes the most sense. It's other than, you know.
Besides, are you a boy or a girl?
Besides that.
If this research is published, we'll make more progress to uncover the fan of elf. Wait to see. It's so. I have a friend called Elf Grandfather. He found a very strange thing. It's a big find, spreaded greatly. Now he sent a mail, wrote, this is certainly. We all care the matter, but I and my helper are busy for the research awfully. I feel shy. Do you see it for me?
And then
are you also blind? No. Do you see it for me? I'm too lazy to look. You see it for me. The elf I want to breed is put into the box for Mr. Jaden. The elf will become his companion. Select, please. Well, of course, I'm going to choose Cyndaquil. Or Ridded. Wusiji says, do you change fired elf into a big wind of fire?
Totally.
Yes, I want a big wind of fire. I think it's the best.
Because I want to be like the Fire Nation when they attack.
Jaden gain Ridded from Wu. Gain Ridded name for pet? Yeah, sure. We'll name it. It's a female, so Tim.
Were you naming it?
Tim.
Kim?
Tim.
Oh, Kim. I thought you said I thought it was K-E-M. I'm like, that doesn't sound...
Nope, Tim. Right? With a T.
Tim.
Like Timothy.
Tim.
Elf grandfather lives in front of Jai City. A fourth right leads from here. Easy to understand. I tell you my telephone number before. If you have something, give me a ring. Jaden, log on. Jaden, log on the tel number of Wusiji, doctor.
See, the thing is that when you're reading this, I can hear an Asian person in my head, like, saying it.
See, I would say it's racist, but I'm doing the same thing. So any Asian person listening to this, I'm sorry.
We're not trying to be racist, guys.
We're not racist. We love everyone.
We're so not racist.
We're not racist.
I'm a poker player.
If the elf is injured, use the machine freely to cure. Okay, that makes sort of sense. Then Mr. Jaden request you. I want to see what this is. The elf is included in what Dr. Wu had found.
Are they talking about Cyndaquil? Because Cyndaquil doesn't look like an elf. Or are they still talking about Oak?
No, that's what they call Pokemon. They're called Pokemon Elf or Monsters, or in one case I know of, Monitor.
Okay.
Mr. Jaden, I give you this for I trust you. Believed you will use it. Jaden received drug.
So, if it's not named Pokemon, then what is it the cover named in Vietnam?
Okay, Nina.
Elf monster?
I forgot to mention the F word for some reason. After you get every item, it says Jaden drug bag FU. And then the other two letters, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Because that makes sense.
F3 asterisks.
They obviously did their research. I mean, applause to them.
What translated to the F-bomb?
I'm confused.
A little matter will make us in a mess, for we are only two men to deal with it.
Oh my God.
Okay. So guys, we are going to... I'm going to see what it says when I want to save. Wrote status to else report. Now we are writing the report. Jaden, write the report.
Get the report.
Okay, so guys, I will see you guys next time in part 2 of the Pokemon Vietnamese Crystal walkthrough.
Bye. I'll see you guys too. How you doing?